Ethical considerations are paramount in any therapeutic practice, and acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, is no exception. As therapists employ ACT's unique strategies, they must navigate various ethical challenges to ensure they are providing effective and responsible care. This session delves into the ethical landscape of ACT, highlighting key considerations and discussing hypothetical ethical scenarios to prepare therapists for real-world applications. ACT's commitment to improving psychological flexibility inherently carries ethical implications. Therapists must ensure that the techniques used, such as mindfulness and values clarification, are applied in a way that respects the client's autonomy, privacy, and right to informed consent. Given ACT's focus on deeply personal aspects of clients' lives, such as their values and vulnerabilities, there's a heightened need for sensitivity and integrity in handling this information. Key ethical considerations in ACT. Informed consent. Clients must be fully informed about the nature of ACT, including its emphasis on accepting rather than eliminating symptoms. Understanding this approach is crucial since it significantly differs from more traditional therapies that primarily focus on symptom reduction. Client autonomy. ACT emphasizes values and behaviors that clients choose themselves, which means therapists must be careful not to impose their own values. Respecting client autonomy involves supporting clients in discovering and pursuing their own values, even when these differ from the therapist's perspectives. Confidentiality and privacy. Due to the personal and sometimes intense nature of the discussions around personal values and vulnerabilities, maintaining strict confidentiality is critical. Therapists must safeguard the information shared by clients and ensure it is used solely for therapeutic purposes. Competence. Therapists must be adequately trained in ACT to effectively and ethically apply its techniques. The unique aspects of ACT, such as its use of metaphors and experiential exercises, require a deep understanding to be implemented appropriately and effectively. Avoiding harm. While ACT encourages clients to accept and make room for painful emotions, therapists must be vigilant to ensure this does not lead to increased distress or deterioration in mental health. Monitoring and adjusting the therapeutic approach based on client feedback and outcomes is essential. Hypothetical ethical scenarios. To bring these considerations to life, let's examine a hypothetical scenario. Scenario: a therapist is working with a client who reveals during a values clarification session that they value honesty above all else and confess to considering confessing an affair, which might destroy their marriage. The therapist personally believes the client should preserve their marriage and avoid disclosure. Ethical challenge. The therapist must navigate their own values and the ethical imperative to respect the client's autonomy. They must avoid imposing their views on the client while helping them explore all potential consequences of their choices. The therapist facilitates a discussion that helps the client fully explore the implications of various actions, always emphasizing the client's freedom to choose and the potential outcomes of each choice without directing the client towards a specific decision. Conclusion: ethical practice in ACT involves a delicate balance between guiding clients through tough emotional landscapes and respecting their autonomy and rights. By adhering to ethical principles and engaging in ongoing professional development, therapists can navigate these challenges effectively. This ensures that ACT not only promotes psychological flexibility, but does so within a framework that upholds the highest standards of ethical practice.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.